Imagine building a powerful, efficient heating system using almost no money, no electricity, and mostly recycled materials. In this video, we're going to walk through an incredible DIY project, a 3-in-1 heating system that can warm your space, cook your food, and conserve heat for hours, all from a simple but genius design. What makes this even more impressive is that it uses something most people would throw away, an old toilet, and transforms it into the core of a high-performance heating system. Let's break down exactly how this works, step by step. We start with the foundation, the most important part of the entire system. The builder uses a large ceramic tile as the base. This is not just for support. It also helps resist heat and provides a stable surface for the entire structure. So next comes the airflow system. And this is where things get interesting. Using PVC pipes and T-joints, a network of air channels is assembled beneath the base. At first glance, it may look simple, but this system plays a critical role. These pipes allow air to flow naturally underneath the combustion chamber. Why is that important? Because fire needs oxygen to burn efficiently. Instead of relying on external power like a fan, this system uses passive airflow, meaning air moves naturally through the pipes, feeding the fire continuously. Once the pipe network is assembled, it is fixed securely onto the tile using cement. This step is crucial. If the base isn't stable, the entire structure could crack or collapse over time due to heat expansion. After sealing everything with cement, the foundation is left to dry, forming a solid and durable base for the next stage. Now comes the most unique part of the project. Instead of using expensive materials, the builder repurposes an old toilet bowl as the combustion chamber. A toilet. But when you think about it, the shape actually makes perfect sense. The curved internal design helps guide airflow, concentrate heat, and improve combustion efficiency. The toilet is placed directly on top of the prepared base, aligned carefully with the airflow system below. Next, bricks and cement are used to build around it. Layer by layer, the structure begins to take shape, forming a solid cylindrical body that traps and radiates heat. As the walls go up, one important detail is added, a front opening. This is where fuel, like wood or biomass, will be inserted. The size and position of this opening are carefully designed. Too small, and it restricts airflow. Too large, and heat escapes. So balance is key. Once the chamber is fully enclosed and reinforced with cement, it becomes a powerful heat core, capable of maintaining high temperatures with minimal fuel. With the combustion chamber complete, it's time to refine the system. More layers of bricks are added around the structure, increasing thermal mass. What does that mean? It means the system can store heat. Instead of losing heat quickly like metal stoves, this design absorbs and slowly releases warmth over time. Even after the fire dies down, the structure continues to radiate heat, keeping the room warm for hours. Next, the outer surface is coated with a smooth layer of cement. This improves both durability and appearance, turning the rough structure into a clean, finished unit. Now we move to the top section, the most practical feature of this design. The surface is flattened and reinforced, creating a cooking platform. This transforms the heater into a 3-in-1 system. A space heater, a cooking stove, a heat storage unit. You can boil water, cook meals, and heat your home all at the same time. Finally, a chimney pipe is installed at the back. This ensures that smoke is safely directed bahar, keeping indoor air clean and breathable. Without this step, the system would not be safe for indoor use. Now comes the moment of truth. Fuel is added into the chamber and the fire is lit. Almost immediately, you can see the difference. Thanks to the airflow system below, the fire burns strong, steady, and efficient. There's no need for constant adjustment. The design naturally maintains the combustion process. As the fire grows, heat begins to spread through the structure. The thick walls absorb the energy and gradually release it outward. Within minutes, the surrounding area becomes noticeably warmer. Then comes the cooking test. A pot of water is placed on top. and within a short time, it begins to boil. This demonstrates the system's efficiency. It's not just producing heat, it's using it effectively. Even after reducing the fire, the structure continues to emit warmth. This is the power of thermal mass, what we've just seen. For me, it's more than a DIY project. It's a smart, sustainable solution. No electricity, low cost, recycled materials, and high efficiency. This 3-in-1 heating system proves that with creativity and basic materials, you can build something incredibly powerful. Whether you're looking to save energy, reduce costs, or simply try an innovative project, this design is definitely worth exploring. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to follow for more creative ideas like this. And maybe your next project could be even better. See you in the next video.